The Peruvian Army announced that Hyundai Rotem will invest $270 million to build a K2 Black Panther tank and K808 vehicle assembly site in Peru. Türkiye has finalized an £8 billion deal with the United Kingdom for 20 Eurofighter Typhoons as part of a 44-jet plan that also includes aircraft from Qatar and Oman. Airbus has signed a memorandum of understanding with Portugal to explore cooperation opportunities and propose the Eurofighter to replace Portugal's F-16 fighter fleet. Donald Trump met Japan's Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi in Tokyo to expand defense and trade ties and approved the sale of the first missiles for Japan's F-35 jets. Lockheed Martin shared photos of the Finnish Air Force's first F-35 moving out of final assembly. Rheinmetall and MBDA Germany advanced their naval laser weapon program after successful sea trials, moving the system closer to German Navy service. The Philippines has begun talks with Korea Aerospace Industries to purchase KF-21 Boromae fighter jets. Poland's PGZ and Anduril signed an agreement to localize Barracuda 500M production and modular autonomous air vehicles for supplier integration. Türkiye inaugurated the BMC serial production facility for the first domestically produced Altay main battle tank, delivering the first 3 units to the Turkish armed forces. Lockheed Martin and NASA completed the first flight of the X-59 supersonic jet in California, marking progress in quiet supersonic flight research. Spain approved a €3.12 billion deal to acquire up to 45 Turkish-made Hürjet trainer jets, with production in Türkiye and adaptation by Airbus Spain. Russia tested its nuclear-powered Poseidon torpedo, which Putin said is unmatched globally with a 10,000-kilometer range. Germany and the United Kingdom signed a €450 million deal with General Dynamics European Land Systems via OCCAR to jointly acquire new M3 amphibious bridge and ferry systems. American Rheinmetall won a $31 million contract to develop a forward repair system for US and Ukrainian Bradley infantry fighting vehicles. Boeing began upgrading Australia's P-8A Poseidon fleet under the Increment 3 Block 2 program to enhance maritime surveillance and anti-submarine capabilities. Indra Group announced a $50 million investment to expand U.S. operations with a new Kansas City facility opening in 2026. Taiwan commissioned its first batch of 28 U.S.-made M1A2T Abrams tanks, marking a key step in its defense modernization. Anduril Industries has opened a new Ghost Shark manufacturing facility in Sydney and rolled out the first Ghost Shark XL autonomous underwater vehicle ahead of schedule. India and the United States signed a 10-year defense cooperation agreement to boost coordination, information sharing, and technology collaboration. Norway signed a 1 billion Norwegian krone contract with Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace for additional NASAMS components. Anduril's YFQ-44A began flight testing for the U.S. Air Force Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program. Italy delivered Centauro B-1 wheeled tank destroyers to Ukraine, fitted with 105mm Ottomelara guns and anti-cumulative grills. The Pentagon reportedly cleared the transfer of Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine, with the final decision now awaiting President Trump's approval. Brazil is considering Türkiye's Tulpar infantry fighting vehicle following a visit by the country's army chief to Otokar. Russia launched its new Khabarovsk nuclear-powered submarine, reportedly capable of carrying Poseidon underwater nuclear torpedoes.